Good morning, children. Today we have to learn physics. In physics, we have to learn matter. Physics, we have to learn matter. Then we think about what is matter. First of all, the first question arises in our mind: what is matter? What explains matter? What is the definition of matter? So we start. What is matter? Clear? Students, the first question is what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupied space is considered as matter. Take it, anything that has mass and occupies space is considered as matter. Clear? Anything that has mass means weight and occupied space, it covers spaces, is known as matter. Matter is composed of smaller units called atom and molecules. Matter is composed of smaller units called atoms and molecules. I define these lines very simply, so you consider on blackboard and see what is the matter and what matter is made of up of what particles, what is the smaller unit called atom and molecules. I define all the terms. Clear? So consider on blackboard. Then matter. Clear? Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules is made up of atom, and atom is made up of three individual particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Students, you have to consider that matter, first of all, matter is made up of molecules. Molecules is made up of atom, and atom is made up of three individual particles known as electron, proton, and neutron. Clear? Who discovered electron and what is the nature of electron, proton, and neutron? First of all, we know electron, proton, neutron, then we know atom, then we know molecules, and we know matter. Clear? So nature of three individual particles. Nature: electron is negatively charged particle. Charged particle. Discovery, and discovered. Proton is positively charged particle. Proton is positively charged particle. Neutron is neutral. No negative, no positive means neutral. It means zero. Discovered. I have a trick that you learnt discovered of electron, proton, and neutron. Then considered on blackboard. Clear? Discovered. This trick is the Gopchan. Clear? TH means J.J. Thomson, or E means electron. So electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. D. Gopchan. Our trick is D. Gopchan. THED, and TH means J.J. Thomson. E means electron. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Gop. GO means Goldstein. And P means proton. Clear? GO means Goldstein and P means proton. Clear? Proton is discovered by Goldstein. Proton is discovered by Goldstein. And CHAN, CHA means Chadwick, and N means neutron. So students, clear. CHA means Chadwick, CHA means Chadwick, and N means neutron. So neutron is discovered by Chadwick. Our trick is the Gopchan. TH means J.J. Thomson, E means electron, GO means Goldstein, P means proton, and CHA means Chadwick, and N means neutron. So electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Proton is discovered by Goldstein. Proton is discovered by Goldstein. Clear? And neutron is discovered by Chadwick. Clear, students? Electron, proton, and neutron combines to form atom, because atom is made up of three individual particles. Atom is made up of three individual particles named electron, proton, and neutron. Clear? I define all the terms separately because in combined there is less space. So I define what is molecules, what is the properties of molecules, what is atom. An atom is made up of three individual particles, electron, proton, and neutron. Clear? Then I define molecules. First of all, matter is made up of molecules. Then anyone say you what is matter made up of? The second question, what is matter? What is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? Then answer, matter is made up of extremely tiny particles, means small particles, tiny particles known as molecules. In other words, we say that molecules combine to form matter. What is matter made up of? Matter is made up of extremely tiny particles known as molecules. In other words, we says that matter is made up of, in other words, we says that matter is made up of molecules. In other words, we also say that molecules combine to form matter. In other words, we also says that molecules combine to form matter. Clear? Molecules combine to form matter. What is matter made up of? Matter is made up of very extremely tiny particles known as molecules. In other words, we says that matter is made up of molecules. Molecules combine to form matter. Clear? Then we define what is molecules. What is molecules and what is its properties? What is molecules? Molecules. atom combines atom combines to form atom combines to form molecules. Atom combines to form molecules means atom, when atom is combined, then it forms molecules. Clear? All matter is made up of a large number of extremely small particles called molecules. We also say that all matter is made up of extremely tiny particles called